Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. So, students, we are going to study today a very interesting subject, a very interesting chapter, that is the rainbow. The color of the rainbow are red, orange, green, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbow are a symbol of hope in many cultures. They appear as a perfect arc, often during a rainstorm, when the sun shines onto a water droplet, shattering it with white light into an ray of brilliant colors. Colors. Colors play a very important role in our life. Different colors symbolize different personalities. Different colors symbolize different personalities and also affects our moods differently. So green. Green is the fourth color in the rainbow. It means the building away the bad toxins and having the ability to breathe in fresh, clean air represents health, love, and faith. Blue. Blue is the fifth color of the arc of the rainbow. Blue is the fifth color of the arc of the rainbow. Within the rainbow, blue denotes the spirit world and connection with water. So what is the color of water? It's blue. So blue plays a very important role in the rainbow. It signifies, it denotes, blue denotes the connection with water. Yellow. This is the color of sunshine itself. It represents the clarity of thoughts, wisdom and energy. Yellow gives us energy. So there are orange, they are rich in vitamin C, which promotes healthy vision and self-growth. Red is the first color of the rainbow from the top. It signifies passion, vitality, enthusiasm and security. It is the light with the longest wavelength. The last color of the rainbow is a mix of red and blue, considered the highest element of spirituality. Right? So these are the importance of the colors in the rainbow. So come to the chapter, page number 1. One day all the colors in the world started fighting over who was important of them all. Was there a clear winner? No. Read this story to find out. One fine day, the color in the world started to quarrel. Each claimed that it was the best, the most important, the most useful, or the most favorite. Is it so? No. I have already told you that colors play an important role. है ना? Colors play an important role in our life. All the colors symbolize something. So, one fine day, the colors started fighting with each other that they are the best, they are most important, they are the favorite color. But green. Green means building away, I have already told you, building away bad toxins and having the ability to breathe in a fresh, clean air. Green represents what? Green represents health, love. So green said clearly, oh, I am the most important. I am the sign of life and hope. I am chosen for the grass. The color of grass is green. The trees and the leaves. Without me, the animals die of hunger. अगर पेड़ पौधा नहीं होगा, अगर greenery नहीं होगी, what will happen? The animals will die with hunger. They will not get their food. Look out over the countryside, and there is a green as far as the eye can see. रूरल एरियाज, गांव में क्या होता है? हरियाली, ग्रीनरी होती है चारों ओर. सो इट्स रिटन हियर, लुक आउट ओवर द कंट्री साइड एंड देयर इज अ ग्रीन एज फार एज दे आई कैन सी. Blue interrupted. After green, blue interrupted and said, blue is the fifth color of the rainbow. It is a connection with the water. You only think about the earth, but what about the sky and the sea? The color of the sky is blue, the color of sea is blue. I am the color of water. The water in the rivers, the lakes and the seas, which is the basis of life. We all know that water is very important in our life, is the basic things of our life. Without water, we can't survive. So the water in the rivers, the lakes and the seas, which is the basis of life, I am the color of the sky. I symbolize peace and serenity. Serenity means calmness. So I symbolize peace, Shanti. Shanti and serenity. Then yellow giggled. After that, yellow said, "You are all so serious. I bring laughter." Gaiety means happiness. Old fashioned. You are all so serious. I bring laughter in your life. Gaiety means happiness and warmth into the world. The sun is yellow, the moon is yellow, and the stars are yellow. Every time you look at the sunflower, one kind of flower, the whole world look bright and beautiful. So yellow is the color of sunshine itself. It represents clarity of thoughts, wisdom and energy. It gives us energy. Yellow gives us energy. So you are also serious. I bring laughter. Gaiety means happiness and warmth into the world. The sun is yellow, the moon is itself yellow, and the stars are yellow. Every time you look to the sunflower, the whole world look bright and beautiful. है ना? पूरी दुनिया वो खूबसूरत दिखेगी. Without me there will be no fun. Orange was next to blow its own trumpet. It said, "I am the color of health and vitality." Very important. Vital means very important. I may be scarce, but I am precious because I carry the vitamins. Things of carrot, pumpkins, all carrot vitamins. So carrot, pumpkins, oranges and mangoes. I may not be there all the time, but when I fill the sky at the sunrise or sunset, my beauty is so striking, attractive because it's unusual. Striking means attractive because of its unusual. So pumpkins, oranges and mangoes. I may not be there all the time, but when I fill the sky of the sunrise or sunset, my beauty is so striking, attractive. In the evening, when we see the sky, it's look very attractive. That no one gives another thought of any of you. So there is a fighting between all the colors. Who are more important? Who are more favorite? Red color. Red could stand it no longer. It shouted, "I am the ruler of you all. I am the color of fire and blood. Without me, the earth would be as empty as the moon. I am the color of danger and bravery. I am the color of the red rose and the poppy, a red flower." Red is the first color of the rainbow. From top, it signifies passion, vitality, enthusiasm and security. So red color stands, it's no longer, it shouted, "I am the ruler of you all. I am the color of fire and blood." Life needs blood. We need blood to live, right? So without me, the earth would be as empty as the moon. I am the color of the danger. When we see red, first thing comes in our mind is danger. है ना? The color of bravery. I am the color of the red rose and the poppy. Poppy means a red flower. So next, purple rose up to its full height. It was very tall and spoke with a great pride. "I am the color of royalty and power. Kings, chiefs and bishops have chosen me, for I am the sign of authority and wisdom. People do not question me. They listen and obey." So bishops are Christian priests holding a senior position. Who are bishops? They are Christian priests holding a senior position. So purple rose up to its full height. It was very tall and spoke with a great pride. बहुत प्राउडली उसने कहा दैट I am the color of royalty. I am the color of royalty and power. Kings, chiefs, and bishops have chosen me, for I am the sign of authority and wisdom. People do not question me, they listen and obey. Indigo spoke softly, but just as empathetically, means firmly. I am the color of silence. You hardly notice me, but without me, you all become superficial. You need me for balance and contrast, for prayer and reflection. So, the fight is going on. All the colors are very important. We can't say that green is very important for our life or blue is very important, because we can't say green leaves or trees are very important for our life, blood is not important for our life, or water is not important for our life. No, everything is very important in our life. That is why all the colors are very, very important in our life. So these are the importance of the colors of rainbow. So just go through it, go through the chapter once again, read it and note down the word meaning, note down the hard meaning in your copy. And if you get any problem in the next class, we will try to solve that in the next class. Okay children? Thanks for now.